This bed frame adopts a wrought iron frame, featuring a sleek and minimalistic design. The edges and corners of the bed frame have been carefully polished, making it easy to clean with a damp cloth. The bed frame's contemporary style will complement all your home decor, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your bedroom. This metal bed frame is supported by upgraded metal rods and legs, which stand the test of time. Our bed frames are made of heavy-duty reinforced metal rods, reinforced with thicker material to make them more stable and load-bearing. You can rest assured to spend every night. The sturdy steel slat support with center support legs makes the metal bed more stable without any annoying sliding or creaking. This bed frame has a large storage space under the bed, which brings you ample storage space and easy cleaning. It can be arranged according to your needs for storing extra odds and ends. Raised bed frames allow you to enjoy more storage space for bedroom items and help reduce clutter in the room. The platform bed frame can be used in bedrooms, guest rooms, dormitories, hotels, etc.